Highlighting benefits and value proposition. Articulating value. Welcome to Lecture 7.6. The proposal document is a persuasive argument that articulates the value and benefits the client will receive by choosing your solution. The ability to effectively highlight these benefits is a crucial differentiator that can significantly impact the success of a bid. A failure to do so can lead to lower scores and a reduced probability of winning. Strategic importance of highlighting value. This is crucial for client-centric focus. Highlighting benefits and the value proposition shifts the focus from your capabilities to the client's needs and desired outcomes. For example, instead of focusing on how your software is built, you would focus on how its features will solve their inventory management problems and save them money. It's all about emphasizing the what's in it for them. Creating a compelling argument. A strong value proposition provides a clear and persuasive rationale for why the client should choose you over the competition. For instance, a narrator might say, "By choosing our solution, you are not just getting a product. You are gaining a partner who will guarantee a 20% reduction in your operational costs within the first year." This makes a compelling, measurable argument that is hard for a competitor to beat. Demonstrating ROI. A great proposal shows that your solution is not just a cost, but an investment that will deliver tangible benefits and a positive return on investment, ROI. You could demonstrate this by presenting a simple graphic that projects their current costs versus their projected costs with your solution, clearly illustrating the financial return over a set period. Building trust and confidence. By showing you understand their needs and are committed to their success, you build trust and confidence. A narrator could say, "Our solution is built on a decade of experience with companies like yours, and our proven track record demonstrates our commitment to achieving the outcomes you're looking for." This reassures the client that they are making a safe choice. Differentiating from competitors. Finally, highlighting your unique benefits and value helps you differentiate from competitors. If every competitor is offering a similar product, you can stand out by focusing on a unique benefit, such as your superior customer support model or a specialized implementation methodology, making your solution truly superior. Key elements for highlighting benefits. The key elements to include are client needs and pain points. To start, you must clearly articulate the client's needs, pain points, and strategic objectives. An example could be, "You've told us that manual data entry is a significant bottleneck for your team, leading to a 15% error rate and delayed reporting." This immediately validates their concerns and shows you've been listening. Solution features. You then need to describe the key features of your solution that are most relevant to those needs. For instance, our solution's intelligent automation engine and real-time dashboard are designed to address these exact pain points. Benefits and value. This is where you connect the feature to the outcome. Emphasize the specific benefits and value the client will receive. A narrator could say, "The intelligent automation engine will eliminate manual data entry, which directly translates into a 15% reduction in errors and a 50% faster reporting cycle." This makes the benefit tangible and easy to understand. Tangible results. Next, you want to highlight tangible results and measurable outcomes using data and examples to support your claims. You might say, "In a similar project with a client in your industry, our solution led to a 30% increase in operational efficiency, a result we are confident we can replicate for you." This provides quantifiable proof of your capabilities. Competitive advantages. And finally, clearly articulate the benefits and value that differentiate your solution from the competition. You might state, "Unlike other providers, our dedicated on-site support team provides a level of service that ensures seamless adoption and long-term success, a key differentiator you won't find anywhere else." Proof points and evidence. You must provide proof points and evidence to back up your claims. A narrator could say, "Our confidence is backed by the included case study on page 24, which details a similar client success story and the attached testimonials from 5 of our satisfied customers." Writing style and tone. To effectively highlight value, use client-centric language. To be truly client-centric, you must use you and your to address the client directly. For example, "Your team will find that the new system is intuitive and easy to use, and your managers will appreciate the real-time insights." This keeps the focus squarely on their experience. Positive and confident tone. You want to convey your belief in your solution and commitment to their success. A narrator could say, We are confident that our solution is the perfect fit for your needs and are committed to ensuring your success. This avoids hesitant or uncertain language. Persuasive and compelling language. Use strong verbs and compelling adjectives to convince the client that your solution is the best choice. Instead of using a passive phrase like, "We hope our solution will help," you could use a strong verb like, "Our solution will empower your team to achieve new levels of productivity and efficiency." Concise and direct language. Finally, avoid unnecessary details and focus on the key benefits for the client. For example, "Our solution streamlines your workflow, resulting in a faster time to market," is much more direct and impactful than a long, rambling explanation of the technical process. Key takeaways. Articulating value, a winning strategy. Effectively highlighting benefits and value proposition is about articulating a compelling and client-centric argument for choosing your solution. As one expert notes, customers don't buy products or services, they buy solutions to problems. In short, they buy benefits. By focusing on client needs, translating features into benefits, and strategically presenting your value, you can craft proposals that resonate deeply and drive successful outcomes.